Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to walk you through how to unpublish your WordPress site in 2025. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to take your pages offline, whether you need to make some updates, fix an error, or just want some privacy. Let's get started right away. So the first thing you'll want to do is log into your WordPress dashboard. If you haven't done that already, go ahead and type in your site, com/wp-admin into your browser, enter your credentials, and you're in. From here, look over to the left-hand side menu and find Pages. Click on it, and you'll see a list of all the pages you've published on your site. If you have a lot of pages, don't worry, you can use the search bar at the top or scroll through. Find the page or multiple pages that you want to unpublish. This is super handy if, say, you're doing maintenance across your site and need to temporarily hide a few sections. Now let's focus on unpublishing. Next to each page title, you'll notice a column labeled Status. This status tells you whether the page is currently visible to your site visitors. Most likely, you're going to see Published there if your content is live for everyone. To take a page offline, simply click on that published status. This part's really important. WordPress gives you a few options here. When you click, you'll see choices like Draft, Pending Review, Private, or even the ability to schedule your page. Let's break these down a bit because each serves a different purpose. If you select Draft, your page will disappear from public view, and only site admins or editors will be able to access it in the backend. Draft is perfect if you need to do a complete overhaul or want to make major changes without the public seeing unfinished business. Choosing Pending Review is useful if you want someone else on your team to review the page before it goes back live. Think of it as setting your work aside for a second opinion. If privacy is your goal, you can set your page to private. This means only logged-in users with the right permissions can see it, handy for company intranets or invite-only resource pages. And don't forget, you can also schedule the page for a future date. Maybe you want the page to be hidden now and go public again automatically next week. Just set your preferred date and WordPress will handle the rest. After you've selected the status that makes sense for your situation, don't forget to hit Save. This step might take a few moments, especially if your site is busy or your internet running slow, but give it time. Once it's saved, your page's new visibility status is active. It's as simple as that. Remember, the key reason to unpublish is to keep control over what your visitors see. Maybe you caught a typo, need to update prices, or just aren't ready to share something. Taking a page offline means you can work at your own pace without stress. And that's it. You've now learned how to unpublish your WordPress site in 2025, whether temporarily or for the long run. If you found this guide helpful, please give the video a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or run into any issues, drop a comment below. I'm always here to help. Don't forget to subscribe for more straightforward WordPress tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.